Rhun Iorwerth.
Thank you, Llywydd. I was very pleased a few days ago to see the Welsh Government noting Llangefni station as one that could be reopened in future, and this emerges directly from the work that my predecessor Ieuan Wyn Jones did as Minister for Transport in commissioning a feasibility study on the potential of reopening the line from Rhun through Llangefni to Amlwch, something that I know would bring huge economic benefits to Anglesey. I know that I and Ieuan would be more than happy to discuss this issue further with government, but would it be possible to have a statement from the Cabinet Secretary for Transport on the additional work that needs to be done now in order to transform this exciting idea into a reality?
Well, the Cabinet Secretary, as you have acknowledged, recently announced the prioritisation of 12 new railway stations across Wales. That decision was made assessing a number of proposals against the wellbeing goals set out in the Wellbeing of Future Generations Act. And clearly now it is about working with local authorities, partners and all those who can progress proposals for those stations, including a station in your constituency, with a view to future consideration. So I know the Cabinet Secretary will want to update the Assembly on this matter.